Today, and as we stand here in front of our legislature, the seat of power here in New Brunswick, we do so without fear of arrest or intimidation because Canada is based upon the rule of law. And as a part of that rule of law, we have the Charter of Rights and Freedoms, the highest law of the land, that says that Canada recognizes the supremacy of God and the rule of law. Section 2 guarantees freedom of speech and freedom of association along with freedom of religion. Section 7 says that everyone has the right to life, liberty, and the security of the person. How many of you today here have read the Charter of Rights and Freedoms? Can I see your hands? Many of you have, but I would encourage many more of you to actually read the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. You can get a copy from your Member of Parliament or search the Internet. Today in Canada, a woman's right to choose an abortion is proclaimed to be a charter right by the abortion supporters. So the question then has to be asked, is abortion a human right and protected by the Charter? The Supreme Court of Canada, in its 1988 Morgentaler decision, did not find that abortion was a charter right. 6 of the 7 justices found no charter connection. The fact that the law was struck down was because it was not procedurally applied all across the country. It had to do with how the therapeutic abortion committees were actually deciding what the life and health of the mother entailed. The Supreme Court rendered four different opinions of the 7 justices, and because there were no majority in the justices' decisions, the Morgentaler does not set a precedent. And I must say again that they found the law procedurally unfair, but they did not say that the law was a charter right that allowed for taxpayer-funded abortions as a provision under the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. That's very important for us to remember. No federal government since Brian Mulroney has tried to rewrite the law to help put restrictions on abortions. Therefore, we have no abortion law in Canada, which is just unbelievable.